How to make your hand hydrophobic. Let's see how to do it. First, need a silicone bracelet. Now get a container that is glass or fireproof. Now light it on fire and let its ashes into the glass container. This is the ash left after lighting the silicone bracelet. Now take something like this and grind it well. After grinding them well, rub them well on your hands like this. Rub it all over your hand like this. Just I put a drop water in my hand. You can see how the water droplet moves around on hands hydrophobically. Subscribe for more.